Hello everyone, this is BNVS Bharat. So I am one of the students who is passing out today. So to share my experience, I started this journey coming to this Traders Training Academy. I came to know about this in my social media and all. So after that, I got a call from this team and I came here, just inquired each and every detail. So after coming here, I feel it like it's an economical fee for everyone. So I choose for this, and also the way they are formulating and the way they are providing the classes, it's like a 6 week, actually it's a 200-day program. So firstly, initially they told like, sir, for on weekends you will be having 2-day theory class, and with the theory class you can apply the same theory class in your live trading, like from Monday till Friday you can apply the same thing in your live trading. So once my first week class gets over, so with additional to that, so our trainer is teaching our second topic. So by combining all these strategies and all these mixtures, I got a better understanding like how this actual market is working, and who are all the big players, and actually depends upon the buyers and sellers what makes the difference between both of them. Initially, before coming here, I don't have a much clarity idea on any of these things, but after coming to this field, I got a pretty much sure idea like actually today what is the market situation, like within what range the market is moving, and also where we need to be a bit careful. So depending on, the best part is our trainer who used to teach us or who used to explain us each and everything, the thing which he is explaining in live trading only making us a very good understanding, and also we are getting it a lot from the trainer. So it's my last day today, but I can say that I can with 100% satisfaction I'm leaving now. So daily after completion of each and every class, daily I go with full heart, like I learned something, I tried something, I got a new strategy, I got a new thing. So this is the best thing which I'm getting from this thing. And also I'm pretty much sure like everyone among you, like those who are still confused like whether the stock market is my cup of tea or not. So there are so many options even in our academy, also in our there are so many students like who are from there are students as well as retired people, and also there are old people, so many retired army officers, so many people are coming and just enjoying the classes and learning. But by end of the 6th week, everyone are with a fine heart that they're living with a positive note. So I'm suggesting everyone just come try here once, just have a conversation with the people and staff over here. For sure, I feel like this is your all-time stop. You can come here and explore each and everything. Definitely, after leaving this program, you'd be a better and good trader. And the best line, what I want to add is, my trainer personally told, option sellers are like lions. They actually rule the market, and the rest of the people, the option buyers, are like regular animals. So we should be like a lion, so we should control the market. So to do that thing, you should follow this option selling. And thank you, Ranjit sir, and the complete staff and management. I personally thank you everyone from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.